Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change or edit or customize your emote in FIFA Mobile. So what you need to do is tap the setting button at the top of your screen, search the select emotes, tap it, the select emotes. As you can see, this is the emotes inventory that I have. So, and this is the selected emotes that can use in the match. So, if you want to change, at least keep one emote here. For example, I cross the dislike emote and change with the new one and confirm. Sending update successfully. And you can see there are a lot of lock emotes that you can unlock in the store. For example, I type with one, unlock emotes in the events or in the store. So give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.